guys, and welcome to day 2 of our Walt Disney World trip. Where are we off to today, Ava?
Epcot.
Epcot in our Moana outfits. We'll show you our outfits in a second. We're again rushing. It's gone 7. We want to get the 7:30 bus and we want to get breakfast first, so we need to go. It's gone 7.
Oh, dang.
So
we have 18 minutes.
I know, we're in a rush, so we need to go and eat, and yeah, we'll see you later. A very quick outfit of the day because we are rushing again. I've got just rose gold ears and I've just added this flower here. I've also got one in my hair as well. My Moana necklace. This is actually a swimming costume from Primark. And then some shorts from Shein. And I'm actually going to try and wear these today, my Havaianas with the bit on the back. And yeah, it's my Moana outfit. And then Ava is Moana as well. Yeah. She's actually got a Moana bikini on from Vinted. Some shorts from Primark, maybe?
I'm gonna say H&M.
She's wearing flip-flops as well.
Yeah, H&M.
Oh, H&M, okay. And she's got a flower in her hair and a Moana necklace.
Still trying to decipher exactly how a name makes a planet's temperature cooler. You may wonder what it is like to live on a planet with 3 suns. Our import-export centers.
Now time for soaring. her Coca-Cola slushie with sweets. I'll put a picture in from before she started it. She was on the phone to her friend, so. Is it nice, Ava?
She calls me every day and tells me to come.
What sweets did you get?
I got the like belt thingy,
Rainbow belt.
and then gummy bears.
Yeah. And is that with your back to me? Oh, okay. I think it's time to go and get the bus back now, isn't it? Yeah, to cool off.
Jump in the pool.
Yeah. Yeah, so obviously you've seen we went to Epcot this morning. We rope dropped Guardians. That was okay, wasn't it? How long did you say it took us to get on the ride?
I think
About
it was
15,
like
20?
15 minutes.
Yeah. It hurts your hand, doesn't it? Let's sit here. But yeah, so that was really good. I'd actually even forgotten how good that ride really is. And Ava was a bit nervous because she wasn't sure she liked it last year. But you loved it, didn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, she was a bit scared. She held on to my hand the whole time. If you see the photo, which I'll put in here, it looks like she hated it. But that was very early on in the ride. But she liked it, so we are going to go on it again. Yeah, and then we did soaring. That said 15 minutes and it took about half an hour. It did change while we were in the queue to 50 minutes. But that was good. We only did them 2 rides, didn't we? We met Moana, we did Journey of Water, like you would have seen. We got some food, so we didn't film any food because we were in Connections Eatery and it's quite busy in there. But also we just had our usual, like, quite basic food. You had chicken strips and fries. I had a cheeseburger and fries. So we both got a kids meal today, which was more than enough food for me because we got double fries. There was loads of it. Yeah, so that was good. You got your we showed the slushie. Is that all we did?
That was the last thing we did, yeah.
Yeah, it took us a little while to queue for Moana actually. We got in the queue I think about 15-20 minutes before she came, and then it took about half an hour from there, so we're probably waiting for her for about 45 minutes. But it was a good morning, good to be back in Epcot. We've then been back at the hotel and we pretty much went straight back out to the pool. So we've been out there for like
a few hours.
All afternoon.
I made a friend.
Yeah. Grabbed a drink and some popcorn again when that opened up. We've now showered, back in the room, changed, and we're going to go and get some. It's nearly 6:30. We're going to go and get some food downstairs.
There's an hour until it shuts.
Yeah, we're going to get some food, get a drink, and then we're going to have a little walk to 7-Eleven actually, and maybe one of the gift shops down there as well. So yeah, it's just like, so last night when we walked to Disney Springs, we come out of the hotel and walked right. This time we come out of the hotel and walk left, and it's just a bit further up the road to there.
Is it far?
No, it's about 15 minutes again.
15?
Yeah, that's not far. But you think last night we walked for 15 minutes and then we walked all the way through Disney Springs and then all the way to the bus. We literally got to walk there, walk back, that's it. Anyway, so yeah.
Summer Fridays.
It's actually gone. Is it still cloudy out there? It went really cloudy. Oh, it doesn't look that bad now actually. But yeah, it went really cloudy. But the temperature's actually been quite comfortable today. We got really hot around midday again at Epcot, like walking to the bus and that. But down by the pool, I've actually been able to lay in the sun today. It's really not been that bad. This is how I can tell that it's not as hot as when we come last year, because last year I tried to sit in the sun and literally I think seconds in I thought I can't do it. Whereas I've actually been able to lay in it a little bit this time, so.
I tanned.
Yeah, Ava's really brown. We've had our dinner. When we say dinner, I don't think they class it as dinner, do they? It's called a kickback. So there's not like loads of choice, but in a way I kind of like that because I feel like I don't overeat too much by wanting everything. So tonight we had pasta Alfredo, which was nice. Ava had some chicken, didn't you? Like grilled chicken. There was baked potatoes, nachos again, hot dogs again, some lettuce, tomatoes. What else was there? Vegetables. Am I forgetting something? Or was that it? I think that was it. I'll put a picture of my plate, because I did take a picture of my plate earlier. And yeah, I got myself a cherry vodka sour cocktail tonight as well. So just the one drink tonight. I always feel like I'm wasting my drink credits, but
we also sat outside the pool.
Yeah, we sat outside with our drinks to finish off.
Not outside the pool, but
yeah, when like the pool, like looking out at the pool. Yeah, the bar area that's outside. So that was nice. Now we're just walking to 7-Eleven. So walking along the road.
I'm excited to eat the food, but also excited to walk in one.
Yeah, because Ava's never been to one. I haven't been to one for a long time. So yeah, we're just walking along here now. We're actually about to come out of Disney, exiting the Disney area. We've been to 7-Eleven, got a big gulp, just like Pepsi, so we haven't gone
gulp.
Bad, and we've got some snacks
I'm gonna do it
in there. And then this is the hotel. Look how nice it looks from out here.
Gulp, ready?
And it only took us 10 minutes. It took 10 minutes, didn't it, really? Maybe 12, 13 minutes, but yeah. So really quick, and we're back.
And we have a
plan.
Yet. Well, I had a plan, but we're gonna do it. We're gonna go on the balcony around 9 o'clock, get this junk food out and watch the fireworks by eating all the 7-Eleven food.
Yeah.
Good plan.
And we could have gone in to the hotel through the other side, but there was no path, so we thought we'd better do the right thing and come along the pathway. Yeah. We just got back, and we'll show you what we got from 7-Eleven in a second, but look how pretty spaceship Earth looks. Such a nice colour. This is what we got from 7-Eleven. I kind of wish we'd have got something different now than just Diet Pepsi.
Yeah.
Never mind.
I just banged myself.
Oh.
One thing I was most excited for, we got ruffles. Apparently they're really good and they look bad not fair.
I think we've had these. I think we had these last year.
No, we didn't. We had Lay's last year.
Yeah, but I think we've got these as well. But
No, we didn't. Lay's
And we got
classic. Hey.
big bag. They were $4.99, and these ones were $5.99, I think. But yeah. What else?
Mummy's most excited thing, and I'm having a packet too.
Well, we're sharing.
We've got chocolate candies, crunchy cookie. Wait. M&M's.
Okay, don't shout. There's other people here. Yeah, I wanted to get these last year and didn't find them in Target, so I was so happy to see them. They only did smaller, well, I say smaller bags. They didn't do like the big sharer bags, so I got 2
It said
of
share
those, and I'm
size on it.
excited. Yeah, but it means, yeah, you know, the big sharing bags, you know, like.
And then another excited thing I was so excited for.
Go on then. Swedish fish, can't even see. Oh. I actually think these were quite expensive. They were like $4.
There's 2 Swedish fish on the
Considering
back.
these were $5, the fact that they were nearly the same.
There is 2 Swedish fish tanning, and it's one of them is saying, "Am I getting red?" And the Swedish fish are red.
I didn't keep the receipt, but it all came to what, $20
We have to do
for all
taste
this,
test.
so it's not
We're
too
doing a
bad.
taste
I
test,
guess.
guys.
Go on then. We're going to sit and wait for the fireworks.
Okay. Do you want me?
Yeah,
Okay, ready?
yeah.
They're soft.
Very nice. Yeah. Yeah, that'd be nice actually. Yeah, cool. We'll do a taste test of these in a second when we open them, but we're not going to eat all this now.
I'm just gonna try
Just
it.
some of it. I'm going to take that as a good sign. And the pool, can you see down there? It sounds busy, but actually, is it not busy? Oh, there's a lot of people around the pool, but not that many people in the pool, isn't there? Won't obviously film people too much, but yeah, it actually started to rain, didn't it, as we were walking. We went in a little gift shop first, didn't get nothing from there. We came out and it was like spitting with rain, and we were like, oh my god. Yeah, well, yeah, but so luckily we came out and it stopped. But yeah, Spaceship Earth is gone.
You get so much in here, literally. It's gone. Guys, look how much you get in there.
Yeah, they're nice, I like them. These are Epcot though.
Yeah, I know.
Got the Epcot fireworks going off there, but a minute ago we just saw some there.
We think it's fantastic.
Which I think, yeah, because they're not very often.
It's most like on the water thingy screen. Yeah, and Epic's more further back.
I think Disney use fireworks though.
Oh, I missed it. Whoa. I can't believe Spaceship Earth was so busy today. Mum, it was like 35.
Look at that. Now we've got the Magic Kingdom fireworks over there. My neighbour's doing the song for us. Just so you can see that, so that is Magic Kingdom now over there, and then Epcot is round there. And I think that is it now, fireworks all finished. So we ended up seeing obviously the Epcot ones and Happy Ever After, Magic Kingdom. We did see a couple of fireworks go off for Fantasmic. So yeah, really nice evening, just chilled with some snacks on our balcony, just making the most of it because I think we might be in parks now for the rest of the holiday. So I'm so glad we got to do it today. People watching down at the pool as well, loads of people are in the hot tub right now. But yeah, so we're gonna end it here, but thank you so much for watching. Give it a little like if you enjoyed it, subscribe so you can see all the other videos come in, and it's very dark, but we'll say goodnight and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.